Hello boys and girls, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Shama Trades and welcome again to another episode of Traders Update. So this week we are going to analyze four pairs. We are going to start with DXY so that we get the direction of the market. Also, we are going to analyze out CHF. We are going to analyze USD JPY, and lastly we are going to analyze Euro GPP. So those are the pair that we are going to analyze for today and the coming week. So without wasting much of your time, let's go back to the charts. We are going to start with DXY. So on DXY, this is on the weekly. It's on the weekly time frame. You can see the direction on weekly time frame. The direction of the market is bullish. The direction of the market is bullish. It's a resistant area. The market break the resistance, then retested back to resistance to form a support, and the market has been bouncing more than 4 times at this area. So this shows us that the market respected this level. That's why now we are expecting more bullish on weekly. So let's go back to daily. On daily, this is what I'm expecting to see. The market on daily, we have seen clearly that the market is on a bullish, but it keep retracing on some few pullbacks. We have the first pullback here, then the market moved to the same direction. We also have another pullback here. The country currently we are on this pullback. So that's one confluence to show us the market is on the bullish. Another confluence, if I can use my Fibonacci tool, you can see clearly that the market is on my 50 to 60 level, which show me is that the market might respect this level. The market might respect this level. Apart from that one, also you can see very clearly we have a trend line here. The market respected on this trend line. You can see around here, the market respected this trend line first time. Also, the market respected this trend line for the second time. And also the market respected on this trend line now for the third time. So you can see clearly that we have a level here and also a trend line here. So we have like two confluence that show us that the market is respecting this level that we are currently in. So the last thing I need to see to be comfortable that the market is going to be, that the DXY is going for a bullish, is the break of this counter trend line. You can see we have first touch here, we have second touch here. The market is currently at that touch. So if the market now break this counter trend line, I will know that the market will come around this minor zone here at the yellow line. So that's what I'm expecting. Now, if the market break here, I will be very sure that USD JPY is going also for the bullish, because the two pairs are correlating. But if the market break to the downside, now I'll know that the USD JPY that I'm already in, I will now know that the market maybe might change the bias or the direction. So that's DXY. Now we already have the information. We are expecting for more bullish on DXY. Let's go to the first pair now that we are currently in. This is out CHF. Out CHF, I love the pair. It's also one of the pairs that don't disappoint. From the chart, you can see everything is very clear. From the bottom here, you can see we have a triple bottom. The market break this resistance to form a support. You can see also here we have first touch, second touch, third touch here. So the market respected the third touch of a triangle of a trend line and also break and retest and retest. This is where I enter my trade. 50% of my profit, I take it around the green line. I let the other 50% to run. So anytime I can see this market around this green line, that's where I will take my profit. For my TP2, I'm watching to see what is happening now. This trade, it has taken me around a month or a month and a week. So it has taken me a couple of time. But at the end of the day, it has ended well with a good amount of profits. So I think that's all. I don't have to analyze more on this pair because I don't see any analysis. What I can see is the pair is running well to my TP2. So let's go also and check another pair that I'm already in. Let's go back on weekly so that I can give you a clear scenario. As you can see, this is my zones. We have a first zone here, another zone here, another zone here. So this one at the top, it was a kind of a double top. The market respected the double top, retrace back to the midly to another zone, come and break this zone. After breaking now this zone, let's go to daily. Now you can see how the market has break this zone at the top, this with my yellow circle. After the market break the zone, retested to the zone, and I enter my trade immediately when the market show me some change of direction. I enter around here. Now I'm about in good profit, almost 50 to 100 pips. So I'm waiting the market to break this green line so that I can break even my trades. But for somebody who wants also to add some more trades on this pair, I think it's also on another good place to add some more trades. You can see the market has break this small counter trend line. You can also put, or you can add some few trades also. So now that's what I'm expecting on this pair. That is USD JPY. So my first take profit's going to be around at the top. This first green line. Then if the market will break, I will still hold the rest of the 50%. But if they can see the changes and the sign of reversal, then I will take all the profits. So that's all. Now the second pair with own profits. Let's go now to the third pair. which I'm in drawdown. This is Euro GPP. Let's go first from the weekly so that we can see how this pair behaves. You can see clearly that this pair, it kind of retracing. The movement of this pair is not as much as I expected. If you can see, almost always retracing. So if I go back to the daily, now you can see how I trade. You can see my level at the bottom here. Market respected here, it respected here, and also it respected here. You can see the break of trend line, first, second, third, fourth. The market break, retested. I enter the trade. The market also came to my first TP. This is where I take my 50% of my profits. But the market decided to reverse again before even I know or I think about uh, taking some profits or break even. Then the market reverse to my direction. So this is where I take some of my loss. This is where I cut some of my losses at this counter trend line. Immediately the market break below this minor counter trend line. I cut some of my losses, which was even break even because it was not even a good big losses because I enter exactly at the same place. So I'm waiting to see what will happen around here. My stop loss is below here. So if the market now come to my stop loss and break to the downside, now I will think for another setup. So I think guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And guys, I urge you to go and comment on the comment section and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe so that we can have more content we can bring you more content on analysis. So thank you guys for watching.